Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and exploring its profound impact on society. From revolutionizing industries to transforming our daily lives, AI has become an integral part of our modern world. So, let's delve deeper and discover how AI is shaping the future. Before we discuss its impact, let's first understand what artificial intelligence is. AI refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as speech recognition, problem-solving, and decision-making. It involves machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks to enable computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Artificial intelligence has found its way into various industries, revolutionizing the way we work and interact with technology. Let's explore some notable applications of AI. Healthcare. AI aids in diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images, and developing personalized treatment plans. 2. Finance. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of financial data to detect patterns, predict market trends, and automate trading. 3. Transportation. Self-driving cars and AI-powered traffic control systems aim to enhance safety and efficiency on the roads. 4. Customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants provide 24/7 support, streamlining customer interactions and improving user experiences. 5. Entertainment. AI algorithms power recommendation systems on streaming platforms, suggesting personalized content based on user preferences. Part 3. Benefits of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence offers numerous benefits that positively impact society. 1. Increased efficiency. AI automates repetitive tasks, freeing up human resources for more complex and creative endeavors. 2. Enhanced accuracy. AI systems can process vast amounts of data with precision, minimizing errors and improving decision-making. 3. Improved safety. In industries like manufacturing and transportation, AI technologies can prevent accidents and ensure workplace safety. 4. Personalization. AI-powered algorithms enable personalized experiences, from tailored product recommendations to customized learning paths. Part 4. Challenges and concerns. While AI presents immense opportunities, it also raises valid concerns that must be addressed. 1. Job displacement. The automation of certain tasks may lead to job losses or require workers to upskill to stay relevant in the workforce. 2. Ethical considerations. AI raises questions around privacy, data security, and algorithmic bias that need careful regulation and ethical frameworks. 3. Human-AI collaboration. Striking the right balance between human expertise and AI capabilities is crucial to ensure responsible and beneficial use of AI. Part 5. The future of AI. The future of artificial intelligence is incredibly promising. We can expect 1. Advancements in robotics. AI-powered robots will become more capable of interacting with humans and performing complex tasks. 2. AI in education. Personalized learning platforms will leverage AI to tailor educational content to individual students' needs. 3. Ethical AI development. Society will continue to emphasize the responsible and ethical development and deployment of AI technologies. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world we live in, revolutionizing industries, and impacting our daily lives. As we move forward, it's crucial to navigate the challenges and ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly to benefit society as a whole. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this exploration of artificial intelligence and its impact on society insightful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.